Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're unearthing 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on October 12th throughout history. From iconic birthdays to unforgettable moments, this date is packed with surprises that will leave you amazed. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the star-studded happenings of October 12th. Number 20. Happy birthday to Josh Hutcherson, born on October 12, 1992. Turning 31 today. The Hunger Games star is no longer playing games, unless it's in Panem. May the odds be ever in your favor, Josh. Number 19. On October 12, 1935, legendary tenor Luciano Pavarotti was born. Though he left us at 71, his high notes still give us goosebumps. Opera never sounded so good or so loud. Number 18. Hugh Jackman was born on October 12, 1968. Turning 55 today, the Aussie actor still wows us as Wolverine. Those claws never get old. Snikt. Happy birthday, mate. Number 17. Happy 53rd birthday to Kirk Cameron, born on October 12, 1970. The Growing Pains star still has that mischievous Mike Seaver grin. Who says you can't stay forever young? Number 16. On October 12, 1997, singer John Denver tragically died in a plane crash at age 53. His Rocky Mountain high spirit continues to take us home on those country roads. Number 15. Marty Maguire of the Chicks was born on October 12, 1969. Turning 54 today, she's still fiddling her way into our playlists. No, not ready to make nice here. Number 14. On October 12, 1971, the musical Jesus Christ Superstar opened on Broadway. Rock met religion, and theatergoers said, Amen. Who knew apostles could sing like that? Number 13. Actor Carlos Bernard, born on October 12, 1962, turns 61 today. Best known as Tony Almeida on 24, he's still ticking. We mean kicking. Time's always on his side. Number 12. On October 12, 1999, basketball legend Wilt Chamberlain passed away at 63. The man who scored 100 points in a single game. Talk about a slam dunk legacy. Number 11. Japanese actor Hiroyuki Sanada was born on October 12, 1960, turning 63 today. He's battled samurai, zombies, and even Marvel heroes. Someone give this man a break. Number 10. Rick Parfitt of Status Quo was born on October 12, 1948. Though he rocked till 68, his guitar riffs live on, still rocking all over the world. Number 9. British comedian Lud Dennis celebrates his 70th birthday today. Born on October 12, 1953, he's been making us laugh for decades. Proof that humor keeps you young. Number 8. Happy 42nd birthday to Tom Gurry, born on October 12, 1981. Forever remembered as Scotty Smalls from The Sandlot, he's still hitting home runs in our nostalgic hearts. Number 7. On October 12, 1978, Nancy Spungen, girlfriend of Sex Pistols' Sid Vicious, was found dead. A punk rock tragedy that shocked the music world. Anarchy in the UK, indeed. Number 6. Legendary musician Gene Vincent died on October 12, 1971, at age 36. His Bebop A Lula still makes us wanna dance. Rockabilly never dies. Number 5. News anchor Chris Wallace was born on October 12, 1947, turning 76 today. He's been grilling politicians for decades. Somebody's got to keep them honest. Number 4. On October 12, 2018, the movie First Man, starring Ryan Gosling as Neil Armstrong, was released. One small step for man, one giant leap for cinema. Number 3. On October 12, 1979, Douglas Adams' The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy was published. Not a celebrity per se, but this book became a star. Don't panic, and always carry a towel. Number 2. Actress Conchata Ferrell passed away on October 12, 2020, at age 77. Best known as Berta from 2.5 Men, she cleaned up on laughs and left us with a spotless legacy. Number 1. On October 12, 1997, singer John Denver tragically died in a plane crash at age 53. His Rocky Mountain High spirit continues to take us home on those country roads. Thanks for joining us on this star-studded journey through October 12's most astonishing celebrity events. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on celebrities in history. Share your favorite October 12 moment in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the past, and remember, every day is a chance to make history.